and welcome to Tope Sprinkle. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this goddess braids done. This is the hair that I had on for my birthday when I turned 30, and then I used this to go on my trip to the US. It was very comfortable, it was lovely. Interested in seeing how I got the hairstyle done? Then keep watching to see how I got the goddess braids. So I started off with freshly washed hair that had been slightly blow dried or slightly stretched, and this is my stylist, my braider, and yeah, this is her just starting the hairstyle. She was doing knotless style and it was quite small. You would hear me later on say that I requested for her to increase the size. That's because yeah, I wasn't about to sit for the hours that she was estimating that it would take me to finish the hairstyle. But anyways, initially she started and she was pulling the hair herself. I'm one of those people that say that I've suffered by giving people hair, and at this my stage and level, I can't be picking hair for any stylist or braider. But because it would have taken us less time if I picked the braids for her, I ended up doing so later on, as you would see in the video. But yeah, just keep on watching. She was really good. She was gentle with my hair. Her grip was good, my scalp was good for it. At the back, when she first started, she wasn't using any gel, but towards the middle, the parts of my hair that were slightly more puffy, she ended up using gel for those areas. And yeah, watch the video, enjoy, and just chill with us as I get my braids done.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive.
Okay, do real now. Come to church with me.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your.
How many do you need to wait for?
5.
How long do you think it will take to finish?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe 4, 5.
PM. Eh?
5 or before 5 or 4.
PM. Ha. Do you want to change it from knotless, please? If that's going to take time.
No, it's not enough. No.
Ah, no. Or increase the size. I'm serious. I can't do that. Wait first. Let's re-strategize. I'm serious. I can't. I thought I had somehow like 4 hours. We finished by like 1, 2. Should we do big goddess? Big ones. I'm serious. This hair is just so that I can put my hair away.
Big. Okay, I'll start cutting it bigger.
So if you cut it bigger, when are we going to? When are we going to finish? Hi, good morning.
Morning, Tope. Is
Oh wow. I thought we okay.
sorry, you forgotten.
Yeah.
We can arrange it for later. I could do it on Zoom if that's easier.
So we can actually do it now. It's just that I'm in the middle of doing my hair. If you don't mind, like we'll just chat while I'm making my hair.
Not a problem.
Okay, one sec. I'll be there.
Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem.
Okay. Forgot that. So
I will cut it bigger. Then so by 2, 1 will be done.
because even this one, who is going to loosen it?
But the hair is fine.
Don't worry about that. It's okay.
Finally don't get no. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind that pretty brown face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me. passion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now.
It's touching.
So there's one. Wait. Around here. Okay. I think like that soaked through the towel. I think just yeah, that one. That's a troublemaker. That's better. Thank you.